Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Kautilya IAS. So guys, if you are new to the channel, first make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about best teachers for geography optional. So without any further ado guys, let's get started with the video. So guys, like I always say, choosing the correct optional for your UPSC preparation is of immense importance for a UPSC aspirant guys, because a good choice will help you in not only achieving your dreams but will also help you in achieving a good rank. At the same time guys, it is also going to reduce your time of preparation guys, because obviously certain subjects require a bit more, should I say, concentration and preparation than some other subjects. And in this regard guys, a good teacher or a mentor is going to be your best friend, because that person who has obviously a lot of more knowledge and experience that you guys will help you understand your subject and also help you in choosing a strategy in which you will cover the entire syllabus but not with much time. So guys, in this video I will suggest you the best teachers for the optional that you have chosen guys. So in this regard guys, the one name that immediately comes to my mind is Plutus IAS guys. So when it comes to faculty guys, Plutus IAS has the best faculty because these faculty members have themselves cleared this exam guys. That is, they have cleared the prelims exam guys one or too many times guys, so they know that what kind of level of preparation is required to clear this tough exam. Now secondly guys, since they have cleared this exam, they obviously know the strategy behind it, right? Because only just blindly going through the books or notes is not going to help it, because a certain strategy is obviously required guys to clear this exam, which is considered to be the toughest exam. This is the second toughest exam in this world. So guys, if you think that I will just keep on reading without wasting much time, well, I'm so sorry guys, it may sound a bit demotivating, but that is just not going to work. So a good teacher, a mentor is really going to be helpful for you, and the faculty at Plutus IAS are the best when it comes to optional preparation. And not only optional preparation guys, they have the best faculty for pretty much all the stages of the exam. This is for prelims preparation, for mains preparation, for optional preparation. They have dedicated faculty for all those things guys. So if you are an aspirant and maybe you have chosen a subject in which you have zero knowledge guys, that is a subject which you have never studied before and you are completely at sea guys, then I would highly suggest that you please go and check out Plutus IAS, because the faculty at Plutus IAS will help you in navigating your subject in such a way guys that you will not waste much time, but then at the end of the, should I say, duration of coaching, you will just feel like that you have been studying this subject for a really long time, like your graduation subject or something like that. So yes guys, I would once again say that the faculty at Plutus IAS are really one of the best when it comes to optional preparation guys. And if you are an aspirant and in the lookout for good teachers for your optional, then you should please check out Plutus IAS. So yes guys, that was pretty much all in this video. I hope this video has proven to be helpful, and if it did help you even a little bit, then make sure you hit that like button and also click on the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, keep preparing.